I hope you're recording this, because I'm not doing this again. Yea, I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I shall fear no speaker, because thy rage is with me. The new Rage amps from B2 Audio. Okay, so you can see here, Tiffany style RCAs, high pass, low pass, full range. You have a 1x, 10x, and then gain. You also have clipping lights for the front and rear and protect light. You have that 2-step, which I love that. 0 gauge, beautiful. Now, the potentiometers are metal, okay? We are gonna take this apart. I'm gonna show you how they fit all that power and technology into something small. But you can see that gap all the way through. Really cool design, man. Okay, so we have wired up the Rage 1200.4. I'm working my way back. Not sure why, I'm just gonna do it differently. This is a 4 ohm mono or 2 ohm stereo 4-channel. So we are gonna get into our trusty SMD dyno, and we're gonna work our way backwards. We're gonna go dynamic down. Mono, 4 ohm, 14.51 volts. Start dyno. There we go. Oh, nice. Is that 867? 867, uncertified. Mono, 4 ohm. Here we go. We're at 14.5 volts. Uncertified, 762, uncertified. We're gonna go certified run, 4 ohms. Wow, we even did, wow. Certified dyno, 4 ohms. We got 798 at 14.5 volts. So the amp's rated at 600. Okay, let's just try something else. I don't want to blow up the amp. Let's go 2 ohms, start dyno. It's not rated for 2 ohm mono, everyone. Oh, wow. Okay, so certified at 2 ohm, 893. We want to see stereo, so give me a second to rewire that back up stereo. Okay, we're back. I just did a little rewire. All I did was run another lead. So instead of mono, the SMD dyno, there's left and right channels. So we're going to go dynamic. We're going to go 2-channel. And this is 2 ohm, 2-channel. So that's where we're going. Start dyno, see what happens. So they're a little bit off. So we'll go with the 380 to 419. This was supposed to be a 200 watt per channel amp. Dynamically, we're at 419 on one. It could be the length of the wire. It could be a bunch of different variables, but definitely there. We're gonna go to uncertified, enter, 2-channel. We're gonna do 2 ohm, start dyno. Here we go. We're at 14.5 volts too. Okay, we passed the 200 by far. Holy cow. Holy cow. Let me pause this. We're at 48 amps, okay? And then almost 400, let's just say between 394 and 379. This is a 200 watt per channel. We just did the mono, which blew it out of the water. I mean, this amp has got power for days. And we're gonna do certified now. 2 ohm, enter, track 4, and start dyno. Holy cow. I love seeing when amps just do that and then some. All right, certified, we just need 200. We're over the 200. This thing doesn't matter if it's certified, uncertified. This amp is kicking it. 57 amps, 374 one channel, 391. I don't care if you want the low or the high, way out of the 200 per. This amp just, I don't even know what to do. I mean, I'm just wrapping the video up here. I'm done.